beginning, when I first heard about Monavie, it was from my brother-in-law, and I was sitting with my sister and my brother-in-law at the table.
He knew Holly was wanting to start her own business or wanting to do a home business or just something. She'd been raising 3 kids, and she was chomping at the bit to go start doing something.
And he brought up this product, Monavie, heard from a guy in Florida, and his friend had just signed up and didn't know much about it. And my sister was saying, you know, it's this acacia berry, because we didn't know how to pronounce it.
He brought up the word, it's network marketing, and I in the background said, nope, 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 you're not doing it, stay away.
You're not going to be the juice lady, you're not going to sell this product, all your friends are going to run from you, you know, you're not doing it.
It's kind of the end of the discussion, and then we're laying in bed at night, and she says, you know, I really think we need to do this juice. And I said, no, we're not doing it.
For about 3 days, I just started researching on the internet. I don't know what it was, but it just tugged at my heart. I just thought about it constantly and kept going to the computer. I couldn't sleep.
A couple of nights go by, and she says, look, I really, really want to do this juice. I'm afraid if I don't, and someone approaches me in a couple of years and says, hey, have you heard about this Monavie? I'm going to be kicking myself.
So the more I researched, I just told him, you know what, I'm going for it, I'm going to try it. I mean, I didn't know if I'd go full force at it. I just thought, I'm going to drink it, I want to get it into some friends' hands and see what it really is, because I don't want to pass up a $39 investment and this be the next biggest thing out there.
It went on for a little while, and she started making a little bit of money, but the funny thing is that I started catching her in the closet on the phone because she was talking to her friends about it, and she was afraid, you know, she didn't want to make me mad or upset.
Did a lot of phone calls from the bathroom and the closet and outside, and I didn't want him to know I was doing it because he was not real happy with me about doing it.
I started looking into myself, saying, wow, that's, you know, I don't want her to have to do that. And I said, hey, I'm on board on this deal. You go do what you need to do, and you know, I don't mind doing a little bit of babysitting. But when that came is when I started looking on the computer and seeing she was making some money. And I started realizing, wow, this can be a good deal.
I've never been a network marketer, never thought I'd do it in a million years. If you'd tell me today you would be sitting in my house interviewing me, I would have laughed at you because it's not my thing.
When we arrived at Costa Rica, I didn't know really what to expect. I knew we'd just won this great trip to Costa Rica with a bunch of other people that had reached a level in a company, and I was expecting some slimy network marketing, just the type of people that really aren't interested in you, they're just interested in you signing up and buying their product.
People I've met in this business with Monavie, not the other ones out there, with Monavie are the most amazing group of people who love their families, they love their spouses, they're very spiritual people, and that's the kind of people I want to be around. So I just find myself, you know, wanting to go to Florida and seeing them, or wanting to go to Chicago or Dallas and see all these people because they're the most amazing group of people.
I realized that it was a good deal and something I wanted to be a part of, and something I wanted to get on board with and help Holly do and grow the business.
I wouldn't have gotten into it if I didn't think the product was great. I did not get into it for the money. I, even at the time, was thinking $100 a week would be great. It'd get my husband off my back because I'd make something. It'd be my own little fun money, but if it went beyond that, great. If not, no big deal. But I wanted to drink this product for health benefits, and I wanted to give it out to other friends for health benefits.
We met Holly at a trade show here in Tulsa for the Tulsa Run. We had a Fitzo booth set up, trying to get people to our gym, promoting our gym, and she had Monavie tasting set up pretty close to us. She came over and gave us a bottle, gave us all the information on what it was. We loved the product. After 3 or 4 days, just had a great experience with it. So I started kind of doing my behind the scenes research on everything about it and signed up Tuesday. That was Friday is when we met Holly. We signed up, got on board on Tuesday, and it has been a great relationship ever since.
Well, I've known Holly for a while. We worked out together at the same gym here in Tulsa, and our kids go to the same school, and I got to tell you, Holly has been absolutely incredible. I think that she's made such an impact on getting me to Blue Diamond, and my business just wouldn't be anywhere without Holly's help.
Holly's awesome. She's motivating, she's positive, she's super fun to work with. I'm so glad that she is my sponsor. She's helped me get to Ruby, and she's great.
Well, when you first started, Mommy had to pay you. Remember I said,
Yes.
y'all pay you how much every day?
$1.
If you drink your Monavie?
Yeah.
And what'd you tell me on the 3rd day?
You don't have to pay any money.
Why?
Because I like it.
He said, Mama, you don't have to pay me anymore because I like my Monavie. And what do you do every time a new friend comes over and their mommy's not selling Monavie? What do you do?
Ask them to sign up.
You ask if they can have some, don't you? You say, Mom, can they have some because their mommy's not selling Monavie? The best thing about Black Diamond is that black Mercedes 550 SL that's parked in my garage. Not a bad car. Pretty nice, huh? Not a bad car for free. The car stickers for more than my first house, which is absurd, but it's free, so we love that. Because it's not anything I go out and ever buy, but my husband has always wanted a sports car, and I would never let him go buy one because it's ridiculous. I mean, it's not practical at all with 3 kids, but to get it free, and it just shows an accomplishment to people. And for everybody that sees it now, it gives them a goal, I mean, something truly tangible to shoot for, because until I got it, people didn't believe the company truly gave out a car like that, and they do. I want everybody in my downline that wants it to be out driving that car. You know, I want everyone to be a Black Diamond, not just Holly. You know, I'm just kind of the symbol. I was the messenger. I got to hear about it first. But everybody's just right behind me. There'll be other people right there.
No.